ओम पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। चैप्टर सेकेंड एंड सेंटेंसेस। संस्कृत बनाओ सेकेंड पार्ट। तू पढ़ता है, त्वम पठसि। इफ यू वांट टू मेक प्लूरल, यूयम पठथ, पठथ, बिकॉज दे आर पेयर्स। त्वम पठसि, युवाम पठथः, यूयम पठथ। एंड मेक श्योर that u is dirgha, yuyam, and yuam rasva. Okay, rasva dirgha also matters in Sanskrit.
Okay, yuvam
is rasva, yuyam. So when we read that time yuvam and yuyam, so while reading you will understand it is dirgha or rasva. Okay, tu patra likhta hai, तू पत्र लिखता है। त्वम पत्रम लिखसि। Why patram? Because patram is karma. क्या लिखता है? What are you writing? तो patram, it is second case. Though patram is first case also, but we know this is karma, it means it is second case. त्वम पत्रम लिखसि, युवाम पत्रम लिखथः. If I am saying युवाम, then लिखथः. Okay. तू भोजन पकाता है, त्वम भोजनम पचसि. Here also भोजनम second case. भोजनम भोजने भोजनानि, भोजनम भोजने भोजनानि. ओके. तू राज्य की रक्षा करता है, त्वम राज्यम रक्षसि. Okay, one thing you remember, wherever you see first case, after that mostly second case comes. Okay, not too many first case are not there. Like you can't say patram tvam is prathama vibhakti. After that mostly dvitiya vibhakti only will come. So rajyam rakshasi. तू फल की रक्षा करता है, त्वम फलम रक्षसि. युवाम फलम रक्षथः, यूयम फलम रक्षथ. तू सत्य बोलता है, त्वम सत्यम वदसि. तू घर जाता है, त्वम गृहम गच्छसि. तू असत्य बोलता है, त्वम असत्यम वदसि. तू राजा को प्रणाम करता है, त्वम नृपम नमसि. If saha is there, then saha nrupam namati. That also you remember. तू यहाँ आता है, त्वम अत्र आगच्छसि. त्वम अत्र आगच्छसि. श्वेता, तू लिहिलेस का सेंटेन्सेस? ख. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट 11 to 15. तुम दोनों यहाँ आते हो, युवाम अत्र आगच्छथः. युवाम अत्र आगच्छतः. How will be the singular? त्वम अत्र आगच्छसि. Singular. Plural, यूयम अत्र आगच्छथ. No doubt. तुम दोनों कब भोजन बनाते हो? तुम दोनों means two. Like युवाम कदा भोजनम पचथः. पचथः. युवाम पचथः. भोजनम कर्म कर्म. सो द्वितीय विभक्ति. तुम दोनों अब गांव जाते हो, युवाम इदानीम /अधुना /संप्रति. but one you have to use, but for your understanding you write 3. So whenever I ask what is samprati, you will remember that. युवाम इदानीम अधुना संप्रति ग्रामम गच्छथः. आप दोनों. Here you might have made mistakes. आप दोनों अब जा रहे हैं. आप दोनों. भवन भवान भवन्तौ.
Bhavantam.
भवन्तौ. Yeah. आप means भवान. आप दोनों means भवन्तौ. Okay, because first day we saw this, it is difficult to remember all. Like bhavan, bhavantau, bhavantah, bhavati, bhavatyau, bhavatyah. Difficult to remember, but this is how you will practice it. आप दोनों अब जा रहे हो. भवन्तौ इदानीं गच्छथ. हाँ, यहाँ पर गच्छथ. What will come? I know mistakes. गच्छतः will come. Why? Because आप दोनों means not त्वम युवाम यूयम. आप दोनों means third person. Remember this. Many would have done mistake. Bhavanto ke means आप दोनों is there. 14 number
If
sentence.
you wrote tum dono, then tah.
Then thah. Yuvam came comes means then thah only. Meenakshi, any doubt?
Sir, tha we should put. Tha. That we should put.
Ta. Like gachati, gachatah. That one. See, you should remember that bhavanto means third person. So whenever third person comes, then gachati, gachatah, gachanti. Ta will come. Ta. Okay. Next. आप दोनों. So that is the point there. Okay. Next also you might have done mistake. दो पत्ते गिर रहे हैं. दो पत्ते गिर रहे हैं. द्वि वगैरह डोंट राइट एनीथिंग. नहीं, हमने वो देखा ही नहीं अभी तक. फोर्थ चैप्टर में आएगा. अगर द्वौ शब्द है पुल्लिंग के लिए, हाउ इट विल डिक्लाइन. दैट इज द डिफिकल्ट chapter in the first 10 chapter. Otherwise all chapters are okay. So here do patte means patre. If you write patre, because patram, patre, patrani, it is napunsak linga. So patra won't be there. Small mistakes only will be there. Negligible only. But
what is the answer, sir?
You tell me.
No, sir, I have written wrongly. No, dvi written. Dvipatram pachasah.
Nahi. See, dvipatram, it is further study. We say dve patre. If you want to add adjective then. But when you say patre means considered, dvivachan means do patre. Do patte. So no need to write dvi, dvau, because we haven't seen. In fourth chapter we will see all these things.
So patra, patre and
patrani. Like vanam, vane, vanani, like that all satyam, rajyam, all will decline because it is akaranta napunsak linga shabda. If you know one vanam shabda, then all napunsak linga akaranta shabda you will be able to decline. So do patte means patre. Now what will come here? You tell me. Patathaha will come or what?
Patathaha.
How patathaha? Because here patram is third person, not you. Yuvam is not coming there. Patre, like Ramo. This is how they will, trap you. Not trap you. They will play with you. See, now patre is karta. Kaun girte hain? Who falls? Patre. And patra is third person. It is not you, yam, yuvam, tvam, nothing like that. So see, though two sentences they showed you and you all, because initially it will happen, because we don't pay much attention to subject, verb, but every time we should.
The answer, sir. Patre.
Patre, patatah. Why patatah? Because it is third person, like Rama, Krishna, they are all are third person. Same way patra is also third person, third entity. Third person, third entity. Okay. Now we come to plural. Yes. तुम लोग राज्य की रक्षा करते हो. तुम लोग राज्य की रक्षा करते हो. यूयम राज्यम रक्षथ.
Yes.
हाँ, लोग, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. यूयम मीन्स तुम लोग, कंसिडर्ड. तुम लोग ईश्वर को प्रणाम करते हो. यूयम ईश्वरम नमथ. Dual will be युवाम ईश्वरम नमथः. See, one visarga will make lot of difference. Okay. तुम लोग पुस्तक पढ़ते हो. तुम लोग पुस्तक पढ़ते हो. यूयम पुस्तकम पठथः. पठथ, not पठथः. यूयम पुस्तकम पठथ. ओके. अब तुम लोग हंसते हो. इदानीम यूयम हसथ. इदानीम यूयम हसथ. तुम लोग पाठ पढ़ रहे हो. यूयम पाठम. पाठम is not given here, but you can write down पाठम. पाठः, पाठौ, पाठः, पाठम. If you want, पाठम पठथ. तुम अब इदानीम यूयम पाठम पठथ. पठथ. Okay. Okay. So पाठम शब्द you did not know, but it is a pullinga shabda. Pathah, pathau, pathaha. But since it is karma, it will be second case. Patham. Okay. तुम लोग पत्र लिखते हो. यूयम पत्रम लिखथ. तुम अब आते हो. तुम सब आते हो, not अब. तुम सब आते हो. यूयम, सब is considered. यूयम आगच्छथ. यूयम आगच्छथ. Okay.
Here the ma, you yum will be with the ma, with the this, right?
Where?
Yeah, correct.
Means
You have to put full ma, no? Because
why?
a is there. Agachati, a is there.
Then that ma will go into a. Yuyam magachatha. What is our rule? When ma sees any vowel in front of it, it mixes. Ma doesn't remain ma as ma. That was our rule. If vowel is there, it will mix with each other. So yuyam magachatha. This will be the sentence. Yuyam agachatha. That a and ma will mix. It will become ma. So yuya magachatha. I will write it down.
Yes, sir. One word only.
Ha, that is called sandhi. Means what? Two different consonant vowels you are mixing.
Okay.
Sir, the same way we had Yuyam Ishvara Namata, no? Same,
Yes,
yeah.
that will become Yuya. Yes, wherever. Ha, Yuya Meeshwaram. Okay. But why, why don't I tell you all these things? Because first you learn separately. If you can understand Yuya Meeshwaram, wonderful.
Okay. Yes, sir.
You are walking with them if you understand in that way, because they told the rule. Yeah. And you can actually use that rule in your sentences. Okay. This is how you will see shlokas. And you have to split them. So now only you are doing that practice. So it is good. But I won't, recommend that you start with that. If you can do, wonderful. Okay, so we have completed.
Yeah.
See, Vakya Banao 6 point is there, 6th point. When you see Satyam Rajam, you will feel difficulty to make them, though they are simple Vakya, simple word, Rajam, Satyam. So you try to make that also. 6th point is there, Vakya Banao at the end, 6th point. They are simple, but you will find difficulty while making sentences. Yada, tada. But you try that also. Yes.
Where is 6.6?
On page.
Sorry.
Page.
Yes. Yeah, I saw. I was in the previous page. Thank you.
Yeah. Rupa ji is solving all. You know, Shuddha Vanao. Everything she is solving. Huh? So that is good. Means 100% dedication. I see. Actually, that is good. You don't have to again revise that, because once thoroughly you have gone through it. That is advantage. What happens? We only write Sanskrit Banao and we move ahead. But again, when point comes, then some things are not clear in our head. Again, we have to go back, again see. Better we go thoroughly through one chapter. Okay. Now, basic but important things I will tell you. Last class I told you, but few more things I will tell you, some names also from that. So what? Pronunciations will be clear. You know, we know how to pronounce. Every Marathi person know how to pronounce, but we don't know mechanism behind that. So little bit mechanism I will tell you. Deep and you know, serious studies there behind that. But we don't want to become a grammarian, like very thorough. We should be able to pronounce word properly, and we should be able to read properly, split properly, and understand it. That is our goal. Because this Vyakarana is actually one darshan, means one portion of our Vedas. People do PhD on this Vyakarana 6, 7 years. So we will get whatever is needed. Chalo. Last class, whatever I told you, I will just recap that little bit. Basic part, and then we'll see the next one. So this is our basic Sanskritam. So what is Sanskrit? Well-structured language. When you see how they formed all ka, kha, ga, ganga, you will understand, yes, actually it is a well-structured. I will tell you the places, you will understand it very nicely. So 13 swaras, 33 vyanjans, 2 swaradis, they are extra. Like halanta, visarga and ma, makar, dot. Okay, mula swara are these one. Why they are mula? Because they are not derived from anything. They are just like that. Mishrita swara means they are derived. How they are derived, we'll tell you that also. Okay. Rasva dirgha, they are the 2 points in that. So rasva dirgha, all mishrita swara, they are dirgha. That is why I made it red. All mishrita swara, they are dirgha. Dirgha means 2 beats. 2 beats means 2 claps. 2 claps means it should be stretched longer. This we saw last class. Vyanjana, consonants, they are kathor, mrudu, and anunasik. Kathor means efforts required to pronounce them, they are much more than the mrudu, soft vyanjan. Like ka, cha, ta, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, pa. You have to put forth more efforts. But ga, ga, ja, da, da, ba, you can actually feel that. And anunasik means nasal. Our mouth and nasal both are used, like yamangaranam. We'll tell you how to pronounce them, but just to go through it. Okay, so this is the very, very important table. See, when you go here and there for Sanskrit classes, they will tell you rules, sutra. I will teach you from this table only. Okay, there are many sutras. If you go into that, it is dreadful actually. But this table, if you know, wonderful. Only this table will make you understand many rules. Many sutras you will understand with the help of this table. So hard consonant, ka, cha, ta, ta, pa, kha, cha, tha, tha, pha. Hard consonant. So my request is, you remember horizontally, vertically also. Ka, kha, ga, ganga, cha, cha, ja, jha, ya, ta, tha, da, dha, na. ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa, ba, bha, ma. Okay, 30 are covered here. Okay, chalo. Now today's topic. So you pay attention to our vocal system first. Vocal system, I will show you that. So we have 5 groups, and each group is named after what? Is named after their first letter. Just I wanted to show you that file. Just give me a minute. So names are Kanthya. I haven't written today. I will write Kanthya, Talavya. Both I will write. Okay. Just give me 1 minute. Argentina class. So this I told Argentina people before month. Okay. So here is this file. It is written in Spanish, but you will understand, not full Spanish. Come on. Yes. So 5 places of pronunciation. First is guttural, then palatal. We'll write down that also. कहाँ गया that? Just 1 second. One only I will show you, so you will understand everything. Yeah, we'll share this picture also. See properly, there are separate pictures also, but I don't think you need all these things. All. See, we start from here. Why it is Sanskrit, Samyakkrutam, why it is well structured? Because we started with Kanthya, Talavya, Murdhanya, Dantya, Osthya. Only 5 possibilities are there in your mouth, in your vocal system. If you go for other languages, they have not used all places, but we have used all places. First is Kanthya, guttural. So Ka Varga, I have that picture also where Kanthya means how many letters, that also will give you. So Kanthya means what? Those letters which are pronounced from your throat. Kanthya. In English, we say gutturals. Yeah, guttural, Kanthya. So you can put your hand on your throat. You can actually experience, if you say a. So voice is coming from here only. A, because they are Kanthya. If you see ka, kha, ga, gha, ga, they are Kanthya only. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. If you pronounce ka from somewhere else, it is not 100% right pronunciation. So ka varga, Kanthya. In this order only we have arranged that ka varga, cha varga. It is actually well structured. Huh? So Kanthya, guttural is first. Next is palatal. Palatal. Palatal means Talavya. This portion. Here. This portion. See, they have shown here also. Talavya. So when you say cha, 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 see, E is Talavya. E. It is going back. Your tongue is going back in this direction. E. E. When you say cha, cha, ja, jha, ya. You can actually see, we don't have time to, I can take your practice also, but just understand here. Talavya means this is our palate in our mouth, palate, and it is touching cha, cha, ja, jha, ya. You see E. E is also Talavya. So in that proper place when your tongue goes, then only proper sound will come. E. That way. Second is Talavya. It is called palatal. Tongue is mostly touching and coming down cha, cha, like that. Cerebral. Here on, from one diagram you can understand all. Okay, soft palate, tongue rear, throat. Murdhanya. Murdhanya means this our part. Palate only, but this center, hard palate, but tongue deep. Like you have to fold, twist your tongue, and then only you can say ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Ta, see mechanism. Ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Okay, Murdhanya. So here see ka varga kanthya, a and ka varga kanthya. Talavya, e and cha varga is talavya. Ru. I don't say ru. I'm not saying ru. I'm saying ru. Ru. My tongue is twisted and then I'm pronouncing ru. So ru, that is Murdhanya. And ta, tha, da, dha, ana. Separate videos will be coming on YouTube. I have prepared it, just I have to post them with Spanish translation, so I am waiting for that. Separately also you will know if you want to know this in depth. So Murdhanya. Murdhanya means our hard palate as shown here. Okay. Next is Dantya. So this is ka varga, then cha varga, then ta. Murdhanya is ta varga. I think you are getting it. And Dantya means ta varga. The. So here it is shown. This Dantya means at least your tongue should touch teeth. Ta. Some people they say in between two teeth, like upper and lower, it should come in between. Some they say, but if it touches, that is good. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. And lru. Lru is the vowel there. See, all vowels and all consonants we are fitting in all these places. So Dantya means lru vowel and ta, tha, da, dha, na, that row. Osthya, our u, swara, u. So these two lips should touch each other. That is Osthya. And what are these swaras? Pa, pha. You see, if lips don't touch, it will not come. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. So lips are touching. Yes. तो समझ में आया? It is mechanism only. So guttural, palatal, cerebral, dental, labial, kanthya, talavya, murdhanya, dantya, osthya. Meenakshi ji doesn't know this, but I will teach her separately one day. Easy portion, but they are conjunct consonants, so difficult to pronounce. Now separately, if I want to show gutturals, see, voice is coming from here, this way. Palatal, it is touching here. Kya, cha, palate. Cerebral, you see the center of your palate. This file also I will send. Nothing to hide, nothing to keep. Dental, you see it is touching the root of your teeth. This way also tha you can say, but that is overacting, right? But ta, it should touch. And labial, osthya. Okay. Yes. So gutturals, this is in Spanish. So, but this is in Sanskrit. Kanthya, talavya, murdhanya, dantya, osthya. So like that, and this file I will send you. E, their places, because they did not know anything. but they remembered everything, they pronounced everything properly. Really, I loved that batch like anything. Argentina people. Lru, you see, dental. Dirgha Ru is not there. Like that, all vowels, consonants, they are attributed to separate places. Understood this much? Yeah, this I will pick up from here. Kanthya, and I will write in that file so I can send you that. There is our file, yes. So actually, if I post here, what will happen? Okay, so here I should post. Whole column is repeating. Okay. So like that, now you understood. Ka, kha, ga, ghang, ga, all are. Yes. Thank God. Yes, understood now. कहाँ post हो गए? Yes. So Kanthya means ka, kha. Here I have written G, gutturals. Palatals, talavya. So cha, cha, ja, jha, ya, all palatal. Ta, tha, da, dha, na, all murdhanya. Are you getting it? Yes or no? Then I will. Otherwise, I will put forth more effort. If you want. Are you getting it? Yes or no, Boli?
Yes, 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 sir.
Okay.
Can you write down the other, like the vowels which are there?
Other vowels? Yes, yes. Okay.
The I, in the same column.
Okay, one more column I have to add. Yes, I will write down I na, so you will get that also, full idea. क्या हो रहा है? So here a is what? I have picture of that also. A is
Kanthya.
Kanthya. I will tell you on fingers, you will enjoy that. A and A. Okay. E and E, they are talavya. And Ru and Ru, they are murdhanya. And Dantya, Lru. And last one, U. U and Dirgha U.